Oh yeah, Casey, come down here. It's way easier.
Alright guys, so we forgot pliers, so I just had to like make, this isn't even like, it's like a slip knot, so this could easily come off, but you gotta fish with what you got. Oh, I got a bite. This actually might be a good fishing spot. Oh, got one! I got one!
What?
What the heck?
Is that bad?
Yes! Guys, no way. I got one.
What the?
Holy cow, guys.
And you thought it was
Cody said, oh, let's fish here.
Huh?
Okay, guys, I figured what happened. So, this creek leads to that like
I thought
open
this
spot
was
back there.
shallow.
And so, whew, man. That was crazy. I saw the fish hit. This water's clear. I don't know if you can see right there.
Jason, didn't you?
Okay, guys, so like what I'm using is these like little underspins on this little grub thing. We forgot, I just like, hey Cody, you want to go fish? And he was like, sure. So we just hopped on our bikes, grabbed a little tackle. And then we literally forgot our pliers. So I literally had this slip knot. So it's literally like, I'll show you, but.
And we forgot our rods.
Look at this fish.
We forgot our rods.
No, we didn't.
But then we got
Look at this fish, just right here in this little creek. Let's let him go.
I thought
right
they was
here.
too shallow to fish in though.
There he goes. Alright guys, so our dad just brought us pliers, so I actually have a good bait tied on. And now we just walked over here to come get him because he pulled over by this road. And we saw a bluegill in this deep pocket. So we're just gonna fish here and hopefully catch something. Oh, got one. Had one. On the fall.
You're kidding.
No, I'm serious.
Oh my god. How hot is it right now, Kason?
It's hot. Tell me
By the way, I saw a yellow jacket here. Look, it's right next to you. Really?
Got one.
See? Look, they just bite.
Baby green sunfish.
Green what?
Green sunfish. Oh no, this is a bluegill.
Oh.
I don't know. I have no idea what this
Look at
is.
him between.
He's fat. Look at that yellow.
Fatto.
He choked it.
He what?
Choked it. Hooked him like right in the brain. Might not be able to get this one out, buddy. We stayed on the day.
You see that yellow jacket? It's right there.
Where?
Behind you. See it?
Got him.
You might
Guys,
want to
look at-
move.
It's fine.
Well, they don't hurt you if you don't hurt them.
Guys, I just caught this little green sunfish. Look how pretty he is. Well, there he goes. Nope, I can still save him. I can still save him.
Yeah.
Alright, this is, let me see if I can get a good view.
I'm gonna see if I can catch something.
This is
right
him.
here.
Pretty fish. See ya. There he goes. Yeehaw. On the spin cast with a little crawfish bait.
It's hard for me to find it.
Oh, I had it. Oh, got him.
Could I have
Oh, this is a bass. This is a bass. This is
He's
nice.
talking.
It's a nice bass.
He's actually
Flip him! Got him.
Oh.
Let's go.
like, Stinky.
Let's go.
Came at my face.
I
I'm
know-
like,
This guy, look at him. He choked it.
oh my gosh.
This guy,
By the way, these guys are actually ferocious.
look at this.
They go after it.
He just choked that bait.
I'm gonna fish here for like 3 minutes, Jason. Try and catch something. 'Cause I
Right in
haven't
the
caught
tonsils.
anything.
Guys, we're literally catching these bass. They're pretty well fed. Tons of
I
bluegill
can't
minnows
catch
here.
anything because these yellow jackets are getting up in my face. Startling. Nothing there than socking underwear.
Got him.
Just remember that.
It's a beautiful bass. Little creek bass. There you go.
I'm trying to cut free from this.
Woo! Let's go. That's 3 fish.
I've actually caught in 0.
Oh, shoot. Holy cow, what a... Oh, there's...
Wait, I have an idea. Really? Going with the pretty good because it's in the shade also.
This is deep. It drops off.
Kason, you should come down on the island.
Oh, got one. Got one.
Nice.
Got him. That's 4. Guys, this is why you just go
This is
right.
poison ivy.
Even if you don't live in the neighborhood, just go right around somewhere. You might find this.
There's
These
poison ivy
creeks.
right next to me.
It's not poison ivy.
3 leaves.
Got this. Look at the colors of this red-eared sunfish. It might even be a bluegill. But look, it literally matches the color of my bait. It's a gills. Let it sink.
I got him like junk.
And basically, guys, what we're doing is we're just using like little 1/4 ounce, 1/8 ounce jig head. I don't even know what the weight is. Putting like a little crawfish thing on it, just like this.
I'd say it's more of like a frog.
Just like a little jig head with a little crawfish. And look at that. That's almost exact color. Here he goes.
I'd say it's more of a frog,
Here you go.
but
Woo! We're catching fish today.
this is the most amount we've actually ever caught.
Because of my goodness. If I can even.
Ooh, cheek.
Here we go. Oh, got it. Whew, I'm alive.
It's like bloody red.
Damn.
We can walk.
I'm gonna chuck my rod over there first.
Huh?
Chuck my rod.
How much is the same?
Oh man, this is tricky.
That's sturdy.
Oh, watch a little bit.
Kind of nervous, to be honest. I don't want to.
I don't know if you can make it or not, but here, watch out. Here, hold the phone. Video me and then toss me your phone. Okay. If I make it.
If not, let's just put that on the video and make it bloopers.
This is sketchy.
It's actually a pretty long jump. I'd step on the log right there, but you're the jumper, so.
I made it! Oh my god! Got my foot wet.
What do I do? Please.
Your turn.
Don't!
Okay, I won't.
You can video. It's gonna be funny. Yeah, I'm gonna miss.
Just jump. Oh my god, you just that log just broke and you just sank. You just sank to the bottom. Oh my god.
I'm taking a shower.
That's hilarious. But I wanted to fish up here, so. Whoa, it's deep here too. Here, watch out.
Hey, you can get on there. See that stone?
Yeah, I know. Holy cow, it's deep right next to it.
It's deep.
Damn, I'm surprised there's no fish biting this.
Hook
Hook set. Oh! Oh, that was a log. Alright, I'm gonna try to get down there. You stay up here just in
What do
case.
you mean up here?
Just stay right there and fish. Holy cow, my foot was hanging off the edge.
What are you doing?
I just told you, stay up there.
Ah! Stone right there.
I know. Give me just on your tongue. This is creepy. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Whew.
I'm gonna come and see how it's like.
Okay. Can see everything. This doesn't feel sturdy.
If I fall again, then you know
I
what I'm
wouldn't.
doing.
I wouldn't want to fall here though.
Wait, why wouldn't?
Senorita.
Can I check mine too?
Sure. Don't chuck it. You really chucked it right in my landing zone. Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready? Can you scoot back? Are you videoing?
I'm videoing.
Okay, you ready?
If you break your leg, I'm calling Mom.
No place to sprain my ankle.
It's actually kind of what? No.
Oh!
Should I do it?
Yeah, it's easy. Here, toss the phone all the way to me.
Should I video and do it?
Yeah, toss it.
Wait, I have an idea. That would
No.
That would work. Okay. I don't want to hurt myself.
You won't hurt yourself.
Did you hurt yourself?
No.
Did it hurt at all?
No. Just look, squat down and do this. Do
It's
like,
actually
boom.
scary.
We'll just jump and get it over with. 3, 2, 1, jump.
Oh, kind of hurt though.
Nice. Well, you're also wearing Crocs. Hey,
That
give me
hurt my
give me
ankle.
my rod.
It actually kind of hurt my ankle. To be honest, I mean,
Go
is there a
ahead.
fight from me?
Just a leaf.
Really?
It's from Rio.
Oh yeah. That movie's pretty old.
Those dragonflies are huge.
Yeah. We're carrying each other. How are we gonna cross?
Just go up to the bridge. Oh, that was a huge fish. That was a big bite.
You're joking.
I'm not joking.
What?
I got it on camera, the bite. It was huge.
Oh, I should have saw it.
What was that? Oh, got him. No!
What the?
There's something big over here.
I catch a catfish.
It felt like a catfish.
That was actually a good cast I did. Wow, that's shallow.
Let's fish.
Seriously?
No.
What?
But like,
Where'd it go?
oh my gosh.
Actually, that just might have we could actually fish. My leg kind of hurts. I mean, I can still move it and everything.
Oh man.